Welcome everyone! I'm so happy that you could all join us here on this amazing day. Look at the beautiful weather. Wherever you are, doesn't matter if you're at home or at work or at school, we're very happy that you could join us on the relaunch of Aquilo in 2021. So for today, we have an amazing schedule. First, we'll start off with an engine test that's going to be happening over there. Right now, Tobias is setting up the thermal camera so we can get some footage of that as well. And hopefully we'll get some cool stuff out of there. Well, we're very happy that you guys are all here. You can ask questions in the chat and we'll try to answer them throughout the whole program and make sure that you guys know all about the rocket and the things we do as a team. My name is Lua, by the way, and yeah. So, are there... Good? Okay. So we are here as a student team, Aquilo rocket team from Inholland, Delft, and we are here to relaunch our sixth rocket. It's going to be launched again due to the electronics that we're going to test out, and hopefully everything will go fine and we can prove that our rocket is actually good. So it's fun. It's going to be amazing. What else are we going to be doing today? In about 30 minutes, we're going to have an engine test. And in the engine test, we're going to be testing the engine that has been built by the engine department. It's going to be around 7 seconds, I think. So stay tuned for that. Definitely stay here. You can put it in the background. Just keep watching, definitely. Are there any questions? No questions? Okay. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, if anything you want to know about the rocket team, make sure to ask them in the comment section and we'll make sure to answer them for you. Yeah, so this day would of course not have been possible without our amazing partners. We have two partners for the engine department. There is a company that helped us with the building process of it, and we'll show a video of them to you now. Yeah, now.
De Roy Technical Support and Components specializes in repair and new build of driveshaft components. De Roy Technical Support and Components has expertise in mortise and tenon connections and applies that to all mobile machinery like excavators, material handling cranes and reach trucks. Our partner has a vast machinery park consisting of CNC milling machines, a teach-in lathe, a CNC boring machine and various conventional lathes. De Roy Technical Support and Components has helped Aquilo in the final stage of building the engine. Let it be your help too.
Okay, we're back again. So these were our amazing partners, and the engine department would of course not have been able to do everything that we've done without the head of the department, which is Sven Janssens. I would like to invite him here so he can tell you guys more about our amazing engine. Sven, come here.
Hello. Hello all. I think you can hear me, and Yusuf is pointing me in the right direction, so where do I go, Yusuf? Like that? Okay. Well, behind me, I hope you can see it, that I'm not blocking the view. You can see our engine. It's currently on the test bench. We are expected to have a test fire at 10:40, so that's about 8 minutes left, I believe. The engine will be over quite quickly, depending on if it explodes or not, but it's expected to last for about 7 seconds and will produce well over 10,000 Newton seconds in total.
No matter what, we'll have amazing footage, that we know for sure.
And no matter what, it's gonna be exciting. If it
It's
explodes
gonna be
or not, it's gonna be
exciting.
exciting.
Definitely, yeah.
So, without Inholland, it really wouldn't have been possible. And yeah, we would like to show you the video of Inholland. So Yusuf, could you play the video from Inholland?
The Aeronautical and Precision Engineering Programme at Inholland University of Applied Sciences in Delft educates people in the broad spectrum of aerospace technology and high-tech sectors. Sustainable approaches need more attention in the world around us and require good professionals who know how to apply the latest innovations. During the course, the following 4 educational themes will help you become a Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical and Precision Engineering. Performance, structures, manufacturing, and smart systems. You will get a proper amount of theory which you can put into practice by doing projects. In these projects, you will get the chance to do assignments for real companies, a great way to stay connected to actual challenges from the aerospace and high-tech industry around us. The personal and social atmosphere makes your time at Inholland really valuable, and you will quickly feel at home here.
Okay, so that was our sponsor Inholland. Without them, of course, we wouldn't have been here. I saw that Tobias just came back from setting up the camera, so I think it will start soon. How many more minutes till? 6 more minutes, and then we'll start the testing of the engine. We have an amazing camera there, with which we can show you the testing over, which is going to happen all the way back there, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun, yeah, definitely. So we have not only did we have Inholland as our sponsor, there is also Stud, and without Stud, we wouldn't have been here either.
Students, are you looking for a job? Looking for easy money? Or a real challenge? We have the right mix of jobs. But Stud is so much more than work. Learn from the unexpected. Boost your own ideas. Or just have fun with us. Sounds good, right? Follow us on our socials to stay tuned.
Q Graphites is your reliable source of high-quality products made out of carbon graphite. You can choose out of a wide variety of graphite products in all sizes and shapes. The products of Q Graphites are used in a wide variety of industries and live up to the highest industry standards. It shouldn't surprise you that our customers in the Benelux have Q Graphites as their preferred supplier for their carbon graphite needs. For more info, please don't hesitate to give us a call.
Just seen the Q Graphites video, which was the Q Graphites guys. They helped us wonderfully with building the nozzle itself, which is made out of carbon graphite. Because it's a really brittle material, it's really hard to process that ourselves. So we tried to get expert help from that, and we got expert help from Q Graphites. And really quickly, actually, we kind of pissed them off because we switched the something in the design very late, but fortunately they were helpful and cool enough to help us without too much trouble. So thank you,
That's
Menno,
nice,
if you're
that's
watching.
nice.
Thank you, Menno, for your support, and I'm sure the guys at the workshop are watching as well. So hopefully your nozzle will survive, and otherwise we will come back to you for a new design.
Yeah, yes.
So I don't know. As you can see, they are still working at the test stand. Looks like we are a little bit behind on schedule. For today, we have a force measuring sensor, a load cell, and we have that in combination with a thermal camera to test the further performance of the engine.
So what is a thermal camera? Just to quickly, like all these engineering terms, we'll explain them quickly to you guys. A thermal camera is basically a camera that shows all the different temperatures on the engine itself.
Yeah, that's true. So it takes the infrared image, which is a certain section of the light wavelength, and so it uses that to measure the heat basically from the engine. We had a little bit of an issue because the aluminium was too bright or too shiny for the camera, but we fixed that with a simple trip to the building store, and with a can of paint we fixed the issue. So I don't know which color it is now, but it should be in a color, and the thermal camera should be able to pick it up.
I just saw the car coming back from there.
Yeah,
I think
there is a car coming back now, so that's good.
Leo went over there, so I think they're gonna start soon, which is on the schedule. So hopefully.
So
and
I saw a question that there was a question about what is the max thrust of the engine. The max thrust is expected to be at somewhere in the neighborhood of 1500 newtons.
That's a lot, I can tell you that.
So for info, the engine that we're testing now is actually the engine that we are going to use in the upcoming Aquilo 7 rocket, which will fly to, shall we disclaim it? 10 kilometers, right?
We hope.
10
Yeah,
kilometers.
definitely. That's the plan. 10
hopefully,
plus.
yeah, 10 plus.
10
So the
plus.
engine should be good enough to do that. So yeah, the expected launch time for the Aquilo 7 is somewhere in September, I believe.
October.
It is very fluctuating due to Corona, of course, but now that that's dimming down, we expect to get a more firm date.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we have a trip to Poland, which we would like to say to you as well. So looking at the engine pad, no one is here anymore. The oh yeah, the engine pad is almost clear. I think it is even clear of people. It looks clear to me. So I think it is time to ask how far we are with the proceedings of the engine test. I see there's a guy over there with cables, and I think he has the ignition source, but I am not definitely sure about that. Yeah, let's explore together what's going on now.
Why is the stream only 480p? That's a question? What is the status? Which one? Oh! How is it development of the rocket 8 and engineering for the rocket?
Can someone get Tobias for me? Tobias.
But
Tobias, how far are we in the schedule now? Is it almost lunchtime?
How
or
far are
test time
we?
now?
Do we know
Do
how
we
far
have
we
a
are?
firm ETA?
Oh, I'm hearing something from there. One minute.
So apparently there, the other team from the TU Delft is testing the.
I'm off. Yeah, I know.
What is there doing? Are they flying or testing something? Oh, there is having a flight now, which a little bit of minutes. So what do you want me to do? Okay, so you can all focus on the engine of the Dare rocket.
My mic is not working. I have to recap it for everyone. How can we fix that? Oh, like you hear, that's what you mean. 5,
Okay, so
4,
we're in the last few seconds.
3, 2, 1. Jeez! Sheesh!
Looks like it's still
Woo!
intact. Woohoo! Did it!
Damn!
Tobias, do we have images? Close-up images? Do we have close-up images? Lekker man. Where's Martin? Where's Martin? Where's Martin? Martin!
No?
So as you can see, it's still there. There's not a huge dark plume of smoke, so that's good. The nozzle doesn't look like it needs to be redesigned. I don't know. Maybe Yusuf, you can get a close-up shot of the engine itself. How does it look, Yusuf? Does it look good? Yeah, still intact. Great. So when is Aquilo 7 ready? We can shove it in there.
Soon, soon.
Soon. Okay. Being said, yeah, do a post. Save your laptop and the thermal camera. That's true. So I don't know how long it actually took to get from ignition to burnout. It looks spectacular. That's something to say for sure. But oh yeah, thank you, Marco, and thank you all for watching as well. So Tobias is heading down to the launch pad or to the test bed. He's gonna pick up his thermal equipment to save it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, thanks mom. Thanks mom. It's still intact, which is actually quite surprising to me because we actually pushed it quite far. But
Can I quickly
okay.
like do a recap?
So
before we, like give the schedule.
I think it would be cool to get Tobias when he's back from the pad
Okay,
to get his reactions because he has actually seen the itself. Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna give it off to Lua, who's gonna do a recap of the stream and tell us what the further.
Wow, welcome everyone. Here I am again. Yes. So I just saw it was successful. That was amazing. And for the newcomers who missed it, you can, I think, go back and watch it again. I would definitely recommend you doing that because it was amazing. We're so happy it went well. Anyways, for the newcomers, right now, we are quickly getting the thermal camera and trying to get the footage from it. The plan for today is that we will take a short break after this. After that, we will come back with the pictures and some footage. If we can show you that, that would be amazing. And hopefully you'll be able to see some more close-ups as well. After that, we will go more through the process of Aquilo 6, and hopefully we'll have a successful launch as well. So see you guys after the break? No? Oh yeah, so as you can see guys, back there, do you see those small human beings? They're working on the engine, they're getting the camera, they're getting the engine away from there, and yeah, that's what they are doing there. So we're gonna take a break now. We'll come back in around 20 minutes? 11:25. We're gonna come back at 11:25. Then we'll start. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna be back at 11:25. So definitely stay in here, keep it on the background, and we'll see you then. Hey guys, if you're still here, keep watching because right now Nero, our partner, is going to launch their rocket and it's going to happen right there. So just keep watching and you'll see some cool stuff happening. But are you in camera?
Head of electronics.
Kuchulwa.
You're got a rocket launch from
چی؟
our sponsors, Nero. So
چرا
enjoy.
اینجا نشستین؟ چرا نمیام اونجا بشینین؟ چرا میخوای اینقدر دور بشینین از همه؟ نمیخواد. Yes? No. I'm not hungry at all. But at the same time I'm really hungry. It's weird. Yeah. I want nibbits. Oh, and I'm cold. Cold? Yeah. The sun went out and I was like, brrr.
What are we doing?
No, I thought it was Nero's rocket, no? I said Nero's rocket in the stream.
Yeah, no, there is one. There is one, but not.
30 seconds.
Oh.
28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15,
You can just hold your meat over there.
13, 12, 2 minutes 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2, 1.
ignition.
Oh!
Nice.
Woo!
Bro, I can't even see it, bro.
There was a bug in the stream that hit
Oh,
me,
shit,
and I was
where
like,
was
fuck.
Everyone of us.
It attacked me.
Oh, okay.
A bug attacked me while I was talking.
Audio, so we just heard from
I d-
their dudes that it didn't explode, so that's nice. But enjoy about the whole event. I'm used to it.
That's too funny,
Uh,
actually. I guess
Oh,
say
wait, you got one more
thanks?
rocket launch, so I'm
Do you say thanks to
over
that?
to the left side, to the right side. Sorry, my bad. And the right. No, this is the right side. Right side, yeah. No, as sure as an engineer should be.
Godlike.
Right,
What the heck?
right side, right side.
It's so sweet he's watching it
Uh,
though.
One more.
That's amazing.
Alright, so this is also another SRP rocket. Solid.
I don't know, we only have 20
rocket
people that are
propellant,
watching. I'm so confused.
from the Dare
Like
dudes as
how?
well.
Like my friends
It's
alone.
mostly,
I'm
high
so why are they
schoolers
not
who
watching?
just wanna test
But I think I told everyone
about 30 seconds.
it
to
started at
9,
11:30. I didn't tell them the 10. Like I said, yeah, at 10:15 we have an engine test, but the
Right.
real
I love you. 8, 7, 6,
6, 5,
4,
4, no, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
And we're gonna have fun. But yeah, I hope you're still tuning in. I hope
There are
this
like
awkward
ones
commentary ain't that awkward. Cause you put an Asian in front of the camera, stuff happens, you know. So, but anyways, like I said, I'm head of electronics.
these
I
ones.
don't really know what I'm
These
supposed
ones,
to do,
look,
but
have-
I do
they're
zeros and
in
ones
something else.
basically. And
like this.
for the majority of the time, we're gonna have lunch now. Wherever you
It
are
feels
from,
so weird. This
we'll
one, I
do
think this
a,
one's one as
a
well.
break of around 20 minutes.
This one's one.
Come back and join us in a bit. So
Feel this one.
have
Pull
fun
it out very slowly.
till then. And
Oh,
in trust we trust. Aquilo Rocket Team. Sayonara.
in a weird way. it fine? Okay. Okay, good, good. So, due to some technical issues, we switched to these microphones. I hope you guys can all hear me well and clearly, and otherwise, let us know in the chat. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments, and we'll try to answer them for you as quickly as possible. So, I don't know if you guys were already here, and if not, I'll give you a quick recap of what has happened today already. Today, we are here in Askaatharde for the relaunch of Aquilo 6, which is the sixth rocket of the Aquilo student team. And yeah, that's why we're here today. It's going to happen in about like 30 minutes, I think. So yes, very exciting. We already had a few launches from there, who launched from there, and a launch from Nero, one of our partners. And now we're just waiting to actually launch our own rocket. Last time we launched it 8 months ago, I think, and it went up 2.5 kilometers. It almost reached 2.5 kilometers, and let's just hope that it happens today again. We're very excited to have you all here. Right now, I'm gonna ask if Yusuf wants to come here. That's our head of electronics, and he'll be telling you guys more about this launch and why we are actually relaunching it again. So Yusuf, come here.
Hola. So my name is Yusuf, head of electronics basically. Oh man, they're going down. Alright, have fun. I'm going down.
Oh, you're going down.
No.
You don't want to tell us anything about
No, okay, I'll do it. You don't have to, yeah. So basically the electronics, the main purpose of Aquilo 6, besides us relaunching to prove its relaunchability, is more for it being the test bed for the electronics themselves. So as one of Aquilo's agenda is basically to improve our in-house ability of just manufacturing stuff by ourselves. And so one of the mention is that we plan to basically have, besides the rocket itself, an in-house built flight computer, and that's basically the entire flight computer coded by our team members, and then basing that with the commercial flight computer to make sure that it can actually verify and get credible data. And so, besides it being besides it's just being relaunched for the second time, just because we want to, basically, we're gonna also have it as a data point to just value, so that when we actually do launch Aquilo 7, which will be fully in-house built and as well as that supersonic, we can verify that using the flight computer software that we wrote ourselves. So I think I'm just gonna hand it off to Loa. I'm gonna enjoy setting up some stuff, and you can see in the background there, I don't know if you can see it, but we've got a few of our team members basically prepping the rocket for launch, which would happen in about 20-ish minutes. So Loa, have fun.
Exciting! Thank you so much. Thank you. So maybe I can tell you guys a bit about the process that the electronics team went through. It was quite difficult to get some stuff done, but eventually we got here and we're here today. So it's very exciting. I'm looking forward to it. Like, I don't know about you guys, but launches are one of the most fun things to watch. Anyways, we wouldn't have been here without our partners and without our sponsors. So first off, I would like to show a video of our sponsor, Stut.
Students, are you looking for a job? Looking for easy money? Or a real challenge? We have the right mix of jobs. But Stud is so much more than work. Learn from the unexpected. Boost your own ideas. Or just have fun with us. Sounds good, right? Follow us on our socials to stay tuned.
Yes, so thank you, Stud. If you're watching, thank you so much. Then our other sponsor, SII, they were our biggest sponsor. They've been with us for already 1 year. You can see them here on the hoodie. Thank you, and if we can go to that video now.
Le groupe S2I, c'est 40 ans d'histoire dans le conseil en technologie et les services du numérique. C'est 10 000 consultants au service de nos clients pour pour apporter de la valeur ajoutée en intégrant les nouvelles technologies dans leurs futurs produits et services et leurs systèmes d'information. Nous sommes présents sur 18 pays, 4 continents, ce qui nous permet de répondre à nos clients sur des offres, par exemple, transnationales complexes, tout en restant à proximité de nos clients, dans des secteurs extrêmement variés tels que l'aéronautique, la défense, l'assurance, banque mutuelle, l'énergie, le retail et bien d'autres encore.
En tant que partenaire technologique, notre objectif est double. Nous devons définir des solutions robustes et anticiper la transformation. Pour ce faire, nous devons maîtriser l'ensemble des briques technologiques, définir des méthodes adaptées et également des solutions innovantes. Et ce, sur nos 5 lignes de métier, l'informatique embarquée, les systèmes d'information, les NTIC, l'infrastructure et l'ingénierie scientifique.
Chez S2I, on travaille beaucoup en équipe, que ce soit dans nos locaux ou chez nos clients. Et ça se fait naturellement parce qu'on partage la même culture d'entreprise, le même goût pour la technologie et surtout pour l'innovation.
L'innovation passe par 3 leviers au sein du groupe. Tout d'abord, la recherche. Au sein du lab S2I Research, nos consultants peuvent proposer, tester et éprouver leurs idées. Ensuite, la formation, avec l'atelier S2I et nos e-learning pour nos consultants. Et enfin, la veille technologique réalisée par nos communautés d'experts via leur participation à des événements spécialisés ou l'organisation régulière de déjeuners techniques, les speak-up.
Ce qui me plaît chez S2I, c'est de pouvoir construire ma carrière. Certains vont se spécialiser sur des expertises techniques, d'autres vont préférer développer des compétences sectorielles ou de pilotage de projet par exemple. Il n'y a pas de parcours tout tracé. Et ça, c'est rendu possible notamment grâce à la grande variété de missions.
Thank you so much to our sponsors. Thank you so much for sponsoring us. I'm very grateful for you guys. Then we have one last sponsor, which is Inholland, which is also the school. Without them, we wouldn't have the facilities, we wouldn't have the things to work with. So thank you, Inholland. Yeah, without you, we wouldn't be here.
The Aeronautical and Precision Engineering program at Inholland University of Applied Sciences in Delft educates people in the broad spectrum of aerospace technology and high-tech sectors. Sustainable approaches need more attention in the world around us and require good professionals who know how to apply the latest innovations. During the course, the following 4 educational themes will help you become a Bachelor of Science in Aeronautical and Precision Engineering. Performance, structures, manufacturing, and smart systems. You will get a proper amount of theory which you can put into practice by doing projects. In these projects, you will get the chance to do assignments for real companies, a great way to stay connected to actual challenges from the aerospace and high-tech industry around us. The personal and social atmosphere makes your time at Inholland really valuable, and you will quickly feel at home here.
Yes, so thank you to our sponsors. Thank you so much. Now, let me tell you a bit more about Aquilo 6. As you can see, for the people, I don't know if there are new people that are coming in, but let me, if you are, then you can see the people in the background, the very small people in the background. They are setting up our rocket right now, which we will be launching in about 20 minutes. So very exciting stuff. Let me tell you a bit more about our rocket. Our rocket consists mostly out of composites. Only the bulkheads are made out of aluminum, and the engine, of course, is also not made out of composites but aluminum. Composites are a material that are very lightweight. They're sustainable in some way. we reuse our rocket, so it's sustainable, and it's very strong. It actually has a great performance, which is why we are very happy with it. And even though we do have some difficulties with building, sometimes it's a fun process and we learn a lot from it. So that's amazing. Last time we almost reached Mach 1 with our rocket. I think it was around 0.9, which was insane. So let's see if we can reach that today again. That would be great. Well, this would of course not be possible without the launch tower that you guys see right there. It's very small, I think. I don't know if we can zoom in on the launch tower and the people that are working there. But basically, the people that are working there are setting up the tower. They're from Nero. Nero is one of our partners. Without them, we wouldn't have an engine. So they have helped us with, giving us the engine basically and letting us use their engine tower, the tower itself. So yeah, thank you, Nero. Thank you for letting us launch our rocket. Then we have our other partner, with who we actually had some guest lectures and we had some fun stuff with them, which is Sipkevinia. It's a study association of our school, and I think we can show a video about them so you guys get to know a little bit more about them.
Beste aankomende studenten, wij zijn VSV Sipkevinia, de studievereniging voor alle luchtvaartopleidingen van de Hogeschool in Holland. VSV Sipkevinia is opgericht in 1966 en bestaat al meer dan 54 jaar. Wij zorgen voor een goede focus op je studie. Wij helpen bijvoorbeeld bij het zoeken van bijles en voor een fikse korting op je boeken.
Naast de focus op de studie organiseert Sipkevinia ook veel sociale activiteiten. Denk erbij aan borrels of barbecues en andere dingen waarbij je veel ouderejaars kunt ontmoeten die je graag willen helpen met je studie. Natuurlijk gaan we hierbij rekening houden met de 1,5 meter maatregels. Vanwege deze maatregelen gaan we ook online activiteiten organiseren. Denk daarbij aan online borrels of een pubquiz. Ook gaming tournaments zijn hier niet uitgesloten. Jullie input en nieuwe ideeën zijn altijd gewaardeerd.
Naast de gezellige borrels die Sipke organiseert, organiseren we ook uitjes naar bedrijven zoals Fokker. Daarnaast zoeken we graag het buitenland op. Zo hebben we een Amerika Tour, een buitenlandreis en een hele leuke wintersport.
Bij Sipke kun je ook aan je carrière werken. Zo hebben we het Career Event en het Symposium. Er komen verschillende gastsprekers langs die jou vertellen over het werkveld. Dit is een goede kans om een netwerk op te bouwen.
So, you've heard of what SIPCO could do for you. Symposium, career events, drinks, excursions, the whole lot. If you want to know more what SIPCO can do for you, join us on our social medias or visit us here in the SIPCO Hoek.
Heb jij al zin in een leuk jaar met ons? Meld je nu aan op onze website.
So yeah, thank you, Sipke. Then our last partner, Inholland Composites. Without them, we wouldn't actually have the rocket itself. They've provided us the materials for it, the workspace for it, and they've actually made it possible as well. So there will be a video of Inholland Composites right now, and actually it will show what they do on a daily basis. Yeah. Thank you to our partners and our sponsors. Thank you so much. Now I would like to ask Yuri Verhul, our manager, to come in and tell us something about the whole process, about the year, how he experienced his year of being a manager. So Yuri, if you could come here. Woo!
Yeah, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, as Lua said, my name is Yuri Verhul. I'm the manager of this year, and yeah, first of all, I'm very happy to be here at the moment, launching rockets, launching rocket engines, and yeah, let me tell you a bit about this year, because this year for us was very, very special. For the first time in the Aquilo history, basically, we were able to build a team specifically around the rocket itself. And next to just being able to actually design the rocket in-house, we got our own places within Inholland. We made big steps with regards to a new rocket. We're currently still in the building process of Aquilo 7, a rocket that we would like to launch next year somewhere, hopefully in October, small spoiler, in Poland. Our goal for that rocket specifically is to go to 10 kilometers, which would be a new record for us. And we would like to do that with the rocket engine that was tested today. That's its main significance. And yeah, mainly I want to thank all the guys and gals from the Aquilo rocket team for making this possible today, working with us. And also our partners, not to forget. Yeah, without them, this event would not be possible. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Now I think there's around 15 more minutes till the launch, or maybe 10, I'm not sure. Oh, 12 more minutes, so it's in between. So we have some more time to fill. If you guys have any questions about the rocket, about the performance, about the team, anything, you can ask it in the chat and we'll make sure to answer them for you. Now I'd like to invite Eduard, a first year. He joined the team in October, I think. And let's see how he has experienced the team so far, actually. Oh. Yeah. Nice. Power banks, because, yeah, we need our phones to be charged, right? So, Eduard, maybe can you tell me a bit about the day right now? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's very fun so far.
Is it your first launch?
Yeah, I never seen a rocket launch up close. I like it very much.
Nice, nice. So how are you enjoying your first year at Aquilo?
It's very nice. I've been introduced to the art of working with composites, which has been very fun and interesting. I like it very much so far, and I hope to continue with it in the future.
Definitely, that would be indeed amazing. Next year you'll be a second year. Are you excited for that? Because then you can design your own rocket?
Absolutely. I really like to put the theory into practice and make my own rockets.
Do you have anything special planned for next year, or do you want to keep it a secret for now?
Maybe put a GoPro on the side of a rocket.
That would be sick. It would give some very cool footage as well. Yeah, I don't know if we can do that right now. I think are they leaving the site right now? I think they're doing the last touches to the rocket, and then after that, we will be launching the rocket. So we were working on an Aquilo 6 for... Yeah, so there was a question in the chat. How long were we working on Aquilo 6? We were working on Aquilo 6 for about 7 months, I think. The previous Aquilo students, the team members, they started working on it, and later on I joined with 3 or 4 other first years, and we helped with the building process of it, which was last year. We successfully launched it in September. Yeah, September 2020. And after that, 2 of the fins were actually a bit damaged, but the rest of the rocket was intact. So we wanted to launch it again to actually prove that our design really works. And we repaired 2 of the fins, and today we will be relaunching it again. I see that they are coming back right now, so I think it's going to be launched soon. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to be launching a rocket soon. It's going to be some amazing footage, so stay here. Then, yeah, let me see. Yes, maybe I can tell you guys about what the upcoming things are for Aquilo. Right now, we are working on Aquilo 7. We are in the Compo Lab almost every day. at least every week. We're working on it consistently, and we're trying to, well, get the rocket done before October, because we will be launching it in Poland. It will hopefully go up 10 kilometers, 10 plus. I have a hotspot as well. Okay. Are we? Okay. So, second years, listen up. If you're still looking for an internship, we have a vacancy open right now. I think it's in the screen right now. You can see the email. I'll leave it on the screen for 20 seconds so you guys can screenshot it, take a picture of it, send an email to Aquilo, and you can actually do an internship at Aquilo, which is super cool. Actually, one of our members has already been working on the internship, Subas Rula. He's working on a guidable parachute, and actually someone can continue with that if they would want to. It's very interesting, it's very cool. I think we will be launching our rocket soon. So they're screaming things right now. Anyone knows the time? Oh, okay. In 5 minutes, we're going to launch our rocket. So exciting, exciting. Woo! I think this is my favorite part of the day, because if it goes well, it will be great. I think everyone left it down there now. So the rocket is attached to the launch tower, and it will be going up soon. Okay. Are there any questions in the chat? Anything? No questions? Okay. Guys, if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the chat so I can answer them for you. Let me recap for people that just came in, if they just came in. Right now we are here in Askatharde. We're about to launch a rocket in 5 minutes. So stay tuned, keep watching. It's going to be cool. I think we're gonna have good footage. I hope we won't go offline. That would be sad. But I think they're working on it right now. So it's working, so that's good, that's good. You wanna come? Okay, so we're going to be switching to see what they are going to be doing. I think they're going to be pushing the button, and we'll switch back as soon as we're going to be launching. So as you can see, we have Daniel there, our first year, and Yusuf, our head of electronics. I'm sorry, I'm head of structural. And another guy that I don't know. So does he have the thing in his hand? Yeah. Yes, the remote, the button.
He has the button.
He has the button that's going to be lifting our rocket off the tower. One more minute, guys, it's 1 more minute. We skipped the 2 more minutes. We're gonna skip the 2 minutes. 2 more minutes. We got 1 more minute. 1 more. I'll be counting down with you guys in the microphone. I won't scream. I won't scream. We're also having a little picnic here. Everyone's enjoying the sun, tanning a bit, getting some vitamin D. Oh my God, I think it's actually happening soon. It's happening soon. Everyone's getting ready. Yes. Oh, and there's a plane in the sky. What? Oy, oy, oy. You better fly fast. We don't want to kill anyone. Ah, it's already gone, guys. We're safe, we're safe. Nothing's gonna happen. 30 seconds, guys, 30 seconds. This is super exciting, oh my god. Are you guys feeling the nerves with us? You're more nervous than with the engine? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, did you guys see that? That was hella fast. Jeez. Now we just have to wait till it comes down, I guess, and see if it actually did not get damaged. Where is it? The parachute is white with red.
Why? Why not orange?
Yeah, we should have chosen for a more vibrant color. Maybe we can do that for 7. So did you guys see that? It was like 2 seconds. And if you missed it, make sure to go back. I think you can go back and watch it again. Right now we're just waiting for the parachute. And the rocket, of course. Is anyone seeing it? I just see a lot of smoke. Guys, is it gone? Oh, yeah, we think it's in orbit right now. It's not coming back. It went to space. Andre Kuipers, if you're there, take it back with you. Oh, I see it. I see it. There. There. Right there. There's something coming down. I don't know what it is. It's going? It's coming very quickly though. Woo! And the parachute came out. Do you guys see it? The red little thing? That's our rocket, guys. Aquilo 6. We launch it. Woo! So that was it, guys. We actually launched it again. Now we just have to wait and see if it's actually still. Oh, I'll go back in frame. So guys, as you saw, that was our launch. If you missed it, if it went too quickly, don't worry. You can go back and watch it again. I would recommend doing that because that was cool. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you all for supporting us. And yeah, I think, make sure to follow our socials, our Instagram, which is aquilo.rt, and we'll keep you updated because there's another launch coming up in October. So stay tuned. And we have pictures as well. So if you want to see if the rocket actually is still one piece, then make sure to follow our socials because there you'll actually see if it's still intact. Thank you all for being here. I want to say thank you for everyone here. I want to thank Appy as well because we're actually able to work there a lot. Oh, and they're watching as well. Hi, Appy. And the Inholland Composite Lab. Thank you so much. Arnold, DJ, Marco, you guys have a special place in our hearts because without you, we wouldn't be here. Thank you.